skulls. In a big mixer bowl, mix 6 cups of sugar with a 1/4 cup meringue powder. If you don't have meringue powder, dried egg whites can work. A 1/3 cup of water. Once it is mixed all together, if you pick up a small handful and squeeze it together, if it holds its shape, then you're set. If it still crumbles apart, add just a little bit more water and mix it all. There are multiple molds that you can get to make sugar skulls. Take your sugar and put it into each of your molds. You want to smash it down really hard to make sure that you have all of the air out of it. And make sure you get all the way to the edges. You do want them to be level on top though, which will actually be the bottom, just to make sure that when you have them on your altar or on a plate as a decoration, that they sit flat. That was the very quick part of this process. The long part is that these have to dry. You'd be leaving these molds in your kitchen or wherever they're going to be protected for at least 12 hours before you invert them, and then you would be leaving them for another 12 to 24 hours. You have to make sure that you've left them for at least that 12 hours before flipping them, or the whole thing will fall apart on you. When they have set and you go to flip them, when they're completely dry, you have really nice skull shapes, and that's really all there is to it.